Yeah, I finished my Missy things and changed kind of more or less my makeup. And I am just fascinated with this palette here. I mean, yeah, all of these colors. And today I used these four. Do you see? I used these four colors here. I'm fascinated. I'm gonna retouch a little bit and I'm gonna put on. I want to try to put on some false lashes today and see if I'm able to do it, because I'm not into false lashes anyway. No, I never use false lashes. Never. Try, because I'm just so curious to see. This was great to use for the bronzer. I'll show you today. This is what I used for the bronzer. It's perfect. I mean, I don't do like that. I just pat it on because it's much better when you pat it on. So let me show you. It's a little one-on-one on how I do my makeup. It's just a little one-on-one. So this was a good color. It's dark. It looks dark, but it's a great color. And then I just pat it on like this. You see? And of course down here too, because we don't want this to look bronzed and pale. Yeah, we don't want. And here just a little bit, and this side thing, you see? It's a very pretty. This brush made a huge difference. It made a really huge difference. So I recommend using this type of brush. Because I'm not a beauty guru, but anyways. I want to retouch just a little bit down my eyes, and I'm going to retouch using... Do you see this color here? It's very pretty. Pops. It makes your eyes pop. That's because it's the contrast between, well, at least my blue with this, and it's perfect. And I used this one on my, up here, underneath my eyebrows. It looked pretty cool. So I got this one, and this is how I do it. So I'm gonna retouch the makeup. Back and forth, and then I bring this all the way down. Do you see? See? I bring it all the way down. Don't be afraid to bring it all the way down, because it really looks pretty cool. So I go into the socket right over here in the corner. I go back and forth. And then I bring it down. Way down. I really do bring it way down. I like it. I really do like it. And then what I like to do to retouch it, it's really cool, is the pencil. I get a kohl pencil. And the tip is very sharp. The tip has to be very sharp. And I go really under, like close to my eyelashes. Just like this. To give that kind of a grunge look, something like that. And then I go up here and here and here. See, it's just to retouch, and I do this too. I want to try the false eyelashes. So bear with me because I'm trying. I've never done it before. I have to put on my glasses to even look. These are faux mink lashes. They're very big. I think I have to cut them. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. And trim lashes to fit your eye shape. Follow instructions for your favorite lash glue. I don't have a lash glue. Oh no, look how they look like. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. Look at that. It's pretty cool. Nice tweezer here. You see the tweezer? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put it on without cutting it, and we're gonna have a ball because look at the size of the thing. It's humongous. So I'm just gonna try it for fun, and let's see what happens. Just for fun. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I don't even know how to put it on, so let's bear with me. Let's do it. So I'm gonna look, tiny eyes. It's not gonna glue because I don't have the glue. See how crazy it's. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Do you see that it's not gonna work? I guess I have to cut it half size maybe. But look at that. Look at the difference. Wow. Well, it's really cool. So I will cut it. I need to go buy some glue. I'm not gonna put super glue because I don't think, yeah, it's gonna look pretty cool. I thought it could come with some glue, but it didn't. But they're beautiful, aren't they? Look at that. It's gonna look really, I like it. I like the tweezers. It was just to show you how I retouched my makeup, and I'm gonna go just for the lip gloss. It's a plumbing lip, plumbing. Yeah. A little bit here. That's it. But what I want to do, this is what I want to put on. I really, really want to try this. I have to cut it. I guess it's like this. This is the right eye and this is the left eye. That's it. I'm in love with this. I'm just fascinated. That's gonna be my try for today because I really want to try this faux mink eyelashes. It's pretty cool. It makes your eyes pop, and if you put like a darker color, like a yellow, brown, and or plum, burgundy, orange, red on your eyes, if you have blue eyes, it's gonna pop, and it's gonna look beautiful. Believe me, it's gonna look gorgeous. So I'm gonna go out, I'm gonna buy the glue, and we're gonna glue.